Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to find out how to get the largest of the three numbers using JavaScript. This is a common need in projects where you're comparing scores, values, or conditions. Let's walk through the process using a neatly built-in function called mathmax. Our goal here is straightforward. We compare three numbers and find out which one is the biggest. Instead of writing a long if-else ladder, we can use mathmax to do the job in one line. It is clean, it is fast, and it works well with any numeric input. Let's write the code next and see how simple it is. Here's our full function, just two lines of code. We pass the three numbers to mathmax and it returns the highest one instantly. In this test case, it correctly returns 4 as the biggest among -5, 4, and 2. Next, let's quickly walk through how it works behind the scenes. Mathmax evaluates all inputs left to right and returns the biggest one it finds. This function is great because it works even if the numbers are negative, 0, or large. It's a built-in part of JavaScript, so no extra setup is needed. Let's test it further with a few more examples. Let's look at the different inputs to see how our function behaves. Whether all numbers are positive or all are negative, it correctly picks the largest one. Even with zeros and edge cases, the result is exactly what we'd expect. Now, let's talk about how this is useful beyond just simple math. You'll see this kind of logic used in many practical scenarios. It could be a game finding the top scorer, or a shopping app comparing item prices. In business dashboards, it's common to rank KPIs and highlight the best performers. Whenever you need a quick who's the best check, this trick is golden. So there you have it. Finding the highest number of three values in JavaScript can be done cleanly with just one function. Just remember to keep things readable and use built-in tools when available. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.